Leo has a big dream, but he has a very small body. The football field feels too large for him. The tall leader of the team looks at Leo.
Go home, Leo. You are too short to play with us.
Leo has a secret treasure. It is a notebook full of strategies, but pages cannot change his height.
In this slow English story, please listen carefully for these important words: height, limit, and heart. Let us follow Leo.
Leo walks to an old park. He wants to find a quiet place where nobody laughs at his size. Under the shadow of the trees, a mysterious, heavy-set man is playing with a ball. His movements are surprisingly smooth. Leo stops and watches. He sees a beautiful movement. The man moves like a dancer around the football. The man notices Leo. He does not look down on the boy. His warm smile gives Leo a sudden drop of hope. Leo tells the man about his sadness.
They say I am too short. They say I cannot win.
The man looks at the notebook. He sees a smart mind inside a small body. He decides to teach the boy a secret.
Call me friend. Let us start with your balance, young warrior.
Simple bottles become the first tools. The mentor shows Leo how to find the invisible path between obstacles. It is not easy. Leo stumbles, but he does not fall. He learns to connect his mind with his feet. The heavy-set man shows a legendary skill. His feet move like a storm, leaving the bottles untouched. A small spark of hope grows inside the young student. He promises himself to return to this park every single day. The world goes to sleep, but Leo's dream stays awake. He practices his balance until his feet feel steady. Morning comes with a big challenge. Coach Ben writes the names for the official selection match. Max is already there.
Before the training arc continues, remember these English words: height, limit, and heart. They will become more important in the next part.
Act 2 begins as Leo crosses the threshold. He returns to his secret teacher, ready to face the heavy pressure of training. The training is hard. When the ball moves fast, Leo feels his body is too weak to control the weight. But the mentor knows a scientific truth.
Lower your weight, Leo. Your short height makes your balance perfect. Use it.
Leo tries again. This time, he feels the earth beneath his feet. He is no longer shaking. The corral grows bigger. The bottles are closer now. Leo must move like a fast wind through a tiny space. Mistakes happen over and over. Every fall teaches his mind to focus on the space, not the obstacle. Look closer at his steps. The step-over technique requires coordination. He is slowly learning the rhythm of a true champion. At the midpoint of his journey, Leo logs every strategy inside his notebook. This paper holds his complete dedication. The stranger behaves like a living legend. Every touch of the football reveals a history of global victories. Good shoes can protect your feet, but the mentor knows that material things do not define your core value. He understands the message. The real power is hidden inside his chest, waiting to explode on the official stadium. The selection day is tomorrow.
What if I fail tomorrow? What if my height is still a problem?
The big selection day arrives. Inside the bright locker room, Leo prepares his mind and his body for the match. Max sees the old notebook. He wants to destroy Leo's confidence before the match even begins. Max steals the secret treasure. He believes that without these pages, the short boy can do nothing on the pitch. Leo returns and finds emptiness. His heart sinks. The physical strategies he wrote down are completely gone. This is his lowest emotional moment. Without his handmade maps, fear holds the microphone inside his mind. Through the bright window, Leo sees a familiar shadow. The mysterious teacher is standing outside the fence, watching calmly. The mentor sends a silent message. Real strategies do not live on paper. They live inside the human heart. Max believes he won the mental battle.
Looking for something, short boy? Good luck out there.
Leo takes a deep breath, stands tall, and walks out onto the bright green field. The crowd in the stadium cheers loudly. The whistle blows. The official selection match begins. Every player runs fast, fighting for their dream. In his mind, Leo remembers the plastic bottles. The tall opponents are just markers in his mental map. From the crowd, the hidden teacher watches.
Trust your heart, Leo. Let your feet write history.
Act 3 opens with the ultimate confrontation. Max charges forward, confident that he can stop the short player. But Leo uses his low center of gravity. His feet move like lightning, performing the legendary step-over technique perfectly. Max loses his balance. Leo turns around and shoots the ball with absolute power directly into the net. Victory arrives. Coach Ben circles Leo's name.
Brilliant footwork. That is the movement of a real champion.
The match ends, but the jealousy stays. Max and his friends refuse to accept Leo's spectacular victory. Max tries to mock the stranger.
Hey, old man! Stop fooling people. This little piece of trash just got lucky today.
The heavy-set stranger removes his cap, revealing a face known by billions of people. Max freezes. His eyes see the legendary phenomenon, Ronaldo de Lima. The arrogance completely disappears from his face. The global legend delivers a lesson about respect.
Fancy gear means nothing if your play lacks respect. Leo is a true champion.
Max feels deep regret. He returns the stolen notebook.
I took your notebook. You are a better player than me.
A true leader knows how to forgive. Leo shares the armband.
We are a team now, Max. Let us build the future together.
The emotional reward expands. The entire group learns that true strength connects hearts instead of destroying dreams. Coach Ben sees a bright future. He did not just find a fast player, he found a real captain for the school. A golden gift from a golden teacher. This ball will remind Leo of his incredible journey from limitation to victory. The legend moves on to bigger tournaments, leaving behind a permanent legacy inside a small school corner.
Today, you learned core words: height, limit, and heart. Remember this sentence. Talent does not look at your height, it looks at your heart. Dream big, work hard, and always be kind. True team unity connects every heart on this earth. Thank you for practicing English slowly through feeling. Please subscribe to follow more emotional stories. See you very soon.
All audio and visual components are either edited or entirely generated using artificial intelligence, AI, with the primary mission of delivering profound educational value, specifically focusing on English learning through meaningful moral stories that help learners absorb the language naturally while reflecting on valuable life lessons. This approach represents my advanced content creation pipeline, where AI technology is responsibly leveraged to optimize sensory experiences, elevate visual and auditory engagement, and maximize knowledge retention for the audience.